Welcome back guys, CryptoFly channel. Today I would like to show you the updates for Arkham USDT trading pair with my customer set. Let's dive in. Guys, why did I choose today post the video about Arkham? Because if you participated in Arkham Season 2, just a few minutes ago I received my airdrop. So I highly recommend you go and double check, maybe you got also the airdrop, so I highly recommend you go and check your email and your trading account on Arkham. So I hope you didn't skip the activity what I post in free Telegram channels with Web3 activity. This is also the chart which is still relevant. So guys, all targets, all zones of interest, please listen carefully, because we work with a zone of interest and we're trying to understand where the comfortable price for the market makers accumulate their position again. And we work with intention accumulation pump model, and these levels, it's levels by what I posted here by FIB. So we track the Arkham since 2023. All levels basically relevant. Like you can see, the last time we touch it, perfect touch, 0.61 level by FIB, 28 cents, pump it. Here's a rejection at 27 block where we need to fix or at least withdraw initial deposit. Then retest 38, trade around 23 and going higher. So intention accumulation pump model. And funny facts, but in most cases, after the half year or the year, we can come back again into the same zone of interest. Yes, it looks weird, but the zone of interest absolutely still the same for Arkham. Here we tested the 27 block like support, leave the actual highs. So guys, these actual highs, by my personal opinion, sooner or later will be swept, and I think it will happen this spring. I can be absolutely wrong, but guys, I truly believe in Arkham. Now it's like a low cap token, right? I mean, low cap is under under 300 million. So it's definitely low cap. We got like meme tokens which pump it to billion market capitalization. And the Arkham, it's they launch their own exchange, right? So now they use the token, like use case for the token. We got also the Arkham Intelligence like a platform. It's just a brilliant platform for on-chain analysis. So it's a real this token. It's the token of company and the project which got a real utility. So at least I use Arkham so often, like not like a exchange, for trades now, but like a on-chain analysis. I use it so often, really. So the zone of interest for Arkham is still the same. You could track. I don't remember exactly which token, but I saw. Arbitrum, for example, dump it even on the listing price. I think and I hope the Arkham will not drop under 5 cents, but guys, never say never. So absolutely the same model, and Arbitrum dump it on the listing price. So the zone of interest can be 27.8 and 35.2. What should happen? So we drop to this block? I don't know. I don't think so. We will drop. Guys, also listen please again and carefully, because sometimes people just watch some levels and start writing in the comments, why we should drop so low, or you spread a FUD, you spread some fake news, fake rumors. Guys, it's not a fake rumors, it's not a FUD, it's just my thoughts. So I repeat, we drop it down and close the weekly fulfill, the monthly fulfill of this monthly gap. And now we just get this liquidity pool. Is it possible? So in March, in April, we drop and sweep 28 cents and even test 17 and 8 cents and 13 cents. It's possible, guys, because everything is possible in crypto. Globally, of course, it can be like a local double bottom. Technically, not looks like double bottom, but if we switch to the line chart, maybe somebody can find here as a double bottom. On the daily time frame, it looks like this one. Also, a lot of people start to draw the downtrend line, so how people usually draw the downtrend line. They usually draw like this one, right? So touch, we breaking out, so we have to go into the moon. But guys, in most cases, we landed after that. So most likely this is a real touch, drop, touch, rejection. Now we should hold the line. Next step, we need, but with the volume breaking out the, let's say, $2 price with retest or without, going to the new all-time high, $4. So technically for me, I don't think so. The $4, it's the top of the top for Arkham. Definitely. Weekly time frame. Now all market looks ugly, guys. Don't blame the Arkham or complain about the price action Arkham, guys. Take a look on Ethereum. Take a look on all other tokens. Unfortunately, this cycle totally different. The people who compare that zone 17 or zone 20, the COVID dump and all of that stuff, made mistakes. I made a lot of mistakes with analysis, because especially for brand new tokens like BBL, like Venom, for example, and like Chia. Also, I posted the video where I explained my mistakes. So, guys, to make a mistake, it's okay. So, it's okay. It's just part of our job. So, technically, we close the full field of even the weekly time frame. Got it. Once again, like in conclusion, I don't think so we will drop to this block, but if we will, it will be the good time to buy the Arkham. Even now, I think it's good time to buy. So, because if you believe in this project, of course. And next step, bullish one, it's $2.71, actual highs, because this candle is not even tested the actual highs, $2.87, and a new all-time high. Yes, I truly believe in new all-time high for Arkham. If you trade classic triangles anyway, sooner or later we will just chart always going right side. So sooner or later we go to this side, breaking out and going higher. So it's just a matter of time. Or of course, guys, we work with possibilities and maybe we go into the bear market from this current price and never recover back. Who knows? This is why, guys, we only work with possibilities. But I think we will see market recover back. Now we're in that market stage where the people start complaining, or there is no altcoin season. So yes, we're in this market phase. So buy indicators, weekly time frame, we on the middle line, but not at the bottom. So it's kind of bad. That's why we can drop to 26. It's hard to even imagine how low other tokens will drop if the Arkham will drop to 25 to 27 cents to sweep the low of October 23. I can't even imagine. But now on the weekly time frame, take a look. We are in the capitulation zone. Since January, we're in capitulation. So 1, 2, 3. 3 weeks in a row, we're in capitulation zone. We never, in whole history of Arkham on a Binance, we never traded in the capitulation zone. So it was aphoria, then hope, positive, disbelief, we bounce it, and so now it's capitulation. Total depression, crazy depression zone. Got it. Take a look. ADZ, by the way, will just drop in the accumulation zone, but not crazy accumulation. Take a look at the money power trade on here. This was distribution. This was distribution, money outflow. Now, finally, so take a look. This is a chart since, of course, we tracked now only from November 23, but only in January 5, we got 2 weeks with a big money inflow in Arkham on a weekly time frame. It's a good one. Daily one also. Here was time to out. Here's a bullish divergences, bullish one. Here's a 1, 2, 3, 4 days in a row money inflow. So technically, guys, my take is I think after the February 12th, by end of Chinese New Year, we will see the recover back on alts. I can be wrong, guys. It's just my theory, right? But I think it will happen. So sooner or later, with BTC higher or with BTC lower, with BTC correction or BTC to new all-time high, I think the BTC dominance will start going down. So trade on, it was sell, buy, pump, sell, sell, sell. Here's in February, just 5 days ago, we got a take profit. So from that sell. So we should close all short position. And the last indicator is take profit. By the way, take a look. We trade under female value. Last time when we trade under female value, it was the August 24. just in case, guys. So at least we will bounce to the take profit. Take profit is $2.20 now. Weekly time frame, I guess there is no data. Yes, no data. All right, 12-hour time frame, guys. We try hold the line at this one. So here's a buy line, and now it's 85 cents. Fundamental value of the Arkham, it's 63 cents. So would be good to see, guys, something like this one and recover back by end of Wednesday next week. And here's the first trouble area. It's $1.68. So guys, I hope you like this video. Highly recommend you go and check your Arkham accounts for airdrops. I don't recommend you, if you receive your airdrop, I don't recommend you to sell it now. At least it's a free tokens, which you can wait and sell it higher, because we're not on that market stage where we need to sell the airdrop from the token which already listed. You know, it's not a brand new one like a Berry Chain, for example. So just my personal recommendation. So you have to do what is your plan, you know, just hold that airdrop for the highest price targets. I hold my Arkham. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you want to trade with my customer care, what I showed in this video, just write Mariam, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.